Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue south on US Highway 61 through the St. Louis, Missouri suburbs. We're also on US-67 South and US-50 East, the local name being Lindbergh Boulevard. We begin as we leave Sunset Hills and enter the unincorporated community of Sappington. After Daniel Boone settled in modern-day Missouri, he would often return to Kentucky to tell residents about the land available in Missouri. John and Jemima Sappington sent 2 sons and a son-in-law to explore what is now Sappington in 1804. They bought 1,920 acres of land, more than the area of present-day Sappington. The following year, the rest of the Sappington family arrived in the area. The descendants of the family eventually populated the area in parts of present-day Crestwood and Sunset Hills. The house of Thomas Sappington, one of the original settlers, still exists and is maintained by the nearby city of Crestwood. Sappington had a population of 7,995 as of the 2020 census. At Baptist Church Road, we enter the unincorporated community of Concord, and incidentally, there doesn't appear to be a Baptist church anywhere on Baptist Church Road. However, there is a very impressive looking bowling alley, mini golf, batting cage, volleyball, recreational complex at the south end of the road. Concord had a population of 17,668 as of the 2020 census. Here at Missouri Route 21, Tesson Ferry Road, Lindbergh Boulevard becomes the dividing line between Concord on the right and Green Park on the left. Green Park had an estimated population of 2,618 as of 2019. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Google Analytics shows that as of the making of this video, only 20% of our viewers are actually subscribed. Subscribing, giving us a thumbs up, and leaving comments prompts the YouTube algorithm to recommend our videos and promote our channel, so we really appreciate it when our viewers subscribe. Additionally, you can click the bell icon to get notified of when new videos come out, or don't. You can always sort your subscription list to show channels with new videos at the top of the list, and watch at your leisure. Once again, we want to thank all of our viewers and especially our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here we cross Interstate 55 and we're just north of the junction of I-55, I-270, and I-255. Here we enter the census-designated place of Mehlville with a population of 28,955 as of the 2020 census. Lindbergh Boulevard, I-55, and I-255 form a triangle to the right which mostly contains the South County Center Shopping Mall, which opened in 1963. US Highways 61 and 67 take a right here onto Lemay Ferry Road, while US 50 continues straight ahead to join I-255 out of Missouri and into Illinois. Lemay Ferry Road is one of several ferry roads in the area, and what they all have in common is that before bridges were built, these ferries carried pedestrians and vehicular traffic across the Merrimack River. The roads were named for the proprietors of the ferries that the roads once led to. Here we cross I-255, but the interchange only provides access to and from I-255 to our west. But since I-255 ends less than half of a mile to the west, the sign on the left indicates I-270 west, which begins after crossing I-55. We conclude today's video as we enter the community of Oakville. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.